The archetype comes with a considerably large number of schedules. I'm just going to expand the project browser so you can see this. As you know, in Revit, schedules essentially count, list and schedule lots of things. So I've expanded the schedules quantities list, and you can see that we have many area schedules. We have bracing schedules for those who want to design their own bracing. There are schedules for note blocks and so on. There's obviously door schedules, and later you'll see window schedules. Then there's all our drawing lists. All these general notes are actually note blocks, and that is fully covered in the companion. We also have legends for things like specialized framing drawings. Here and there we have a few takeoffs, such as concrete. We also have some specialized note blocks that is specifically for sheets. Again, I suggest you please look at the companion for that. It's better written there. And there's some window schedules. So, just to expand on a couple of these, we'll go to the cover. On the cover, as we showed you just before, is a drawing list, and it's essentially a schedule. Now, these are set up. If you look in any schedule, double click on it and bring up, by clicking on any of those items, you'll bring up the list properties for this particular schedule. You see what the things are in it, if there's any filters, and in this case it's greater than nothing. So therefore this is a good example of how you control an active set. If there's something in the sheet issue, it's on the schedule. Then you also have it sorted, in this case by sheet number. Formatting, what have we done? We've changed the field name to a heading, and we've done other things like alignment. Then the appearance is how we make it look. Now in particular, on the cover, I'll just zoom out so you can see this, we've got a choice for you. We have a system in the archetype called the sheet 1 of 20, whereby our drawing number system, which is meant to handle anything that you can throw at it, but you may want to count the sheets for yourself or for someone on site. So each sheet has the potential of a sheet number and a sheet total number, and these are controlled pretty much usually by going to the drawing list all, and you can just count them in here. What you can do is, though, once you've understood the system, if you just double click on this item, you can just type in 1, hit enter twice, go down to, and keep going 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. It's very quick. Another thing you can do when you're trying to change all of a set, if I just right click on this, go to browser organization, as we told you before, change it to active, hit OK. Then the beauty of Revit comes to play. If you select all of them by using the shift and your left click, you suddenly have access to every single one of those sheets and their data. In this case, the sheet digit total. You can just type in, click in there and type anything you like. In this case, it would be 28. If we added another sheet to this list by adding more sheet issue field, it would be 29. You just type in 29 and quickly adjust it in this schedule. It's a much quicker way than trying to figure it out any other way. So I'll just close that down. So those are the drawing list schedules. Next video will be about a few others.